Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn the DMAIC method: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. This is the classic Six Sigma problem-solving roadmap used to reduce defects and improve processes. Here's the full DMAIC roadmap. We'll highlight each phase and show the most common tools used in that phase. Keeping a single structured dashboard like this also prevents any on-screen text from overlapping. Let's begin with the define phase. Here we clarify the problem and scope. We capture the voice of the customer and translate it into critical to quality requirements. Key tools include the project charter, SIPOC, voice of the customer, and a CTQ tree. Next is the measure phase. We build a baseline of current performance and ensure our measurement system is reliable. Common tools are the data collection plan, operational definitions, measurement system analysis or GaugeR, and our process capability and Pareto charts. In Analyze, we identify root causes of the problem using data and logical analysis. Typical tools include the cause and effect Fishbone, the 5 whys, hypothesis testing, correlation and regression, and graphical analysis. In Improve, we design and test solutions to remove root causes and close the gap. Useful tools are brainstorming with a solution selection matrix, design of experiments, Poka-yoke mistake proofing, pilots and A/B tests, and cost-benefit analysis. Finally, in Control, we lock in the gains so performance does not slip back. Tools include the control plan, SPC control charts, standard work, or SOP, visual management, and 5S, and handover with training. To summarize, DMAIC guides you from defining the problem to measuring and analyzing root causes to improving and controlling the process. Start with a clear charter and a simple SIPOC. Measure with reliable data, analyze with facts, improve with tested solutions, and control with standard work and monitoring. Thank you for watching. I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert.